Learn how to use Study AI feature on Gauth AI to solve homework and study smarter. Now here in Gauth AI, this is a camera feature. What you do is just switch here from general to study here. You can see the description what it shows on top. Now here to use it here, in case it's night, what you will do is just click on this light icon here in order to turn your light on. To get the best of it here, you can use it on study. What you will do is just take a picture like this. You can see, just take a picture. Wait for it. As you can see here, you have take a picture. You can take as many as you want. Like here, you can take a picture as many you can here in table of content. Why I use table of content as a first explanation? Because it will help you know what is on it. Will help you know what is all about. It will help you know what is in the book here. Also, you can also upload a photo and study it here. Now here, after taking a picture or uploading a photo, what you do is just click on this next icon here. As you can see, it is analyzing it here. Now you can see it have defined it based on what I snap in the table of content. You can snap each chapter, each one, as many as you want. You can also snap only one. As you can see how I do it. Now here you can see each one and each answer here. Now also you can take a quiz on it by clicking on this quiz here. You can see quiz here. You can take a quiz on it. This will help you know more about the topic or about the content or about the text you're studying. Here you can see quizzes based on the table of content I just snapped. Here you can see here and see more based on here. You can see it. You can go back by clicking this icon here. You can also refine it by clicking this icon here. You can ask another question for it to generate it for you here. Also here on the top, by clicking this three-line icon, is to share it to your friends. Here you can share it anywhere. Here you can share it on your WhatsApp. You can copy the link by clicking on more here. Here you can share it as to many places as you like here. Here you can see you can copy the link here. Also here you can go back entirely here by clicking this icon here. You see you have go back. You can upload it. Here is the uploading icon. You can upload it here and select the photo based on the photo you snap here or you take a picture of here. Select it here like this and click on confirm. Also you can also go to the particular folder by clicking this icon here and then find the folder where you save the picture here like this and then click on it like this. You can also preview it like this. You see, anyone you don't like, you just go back to the folder here, go back to the particular folder here and remove it like this and then click on confirm here. You can see and then wait for it. You can see here it is analyzing it. You can see here it have analyzed it. You can also find quiz by clicking on this quiz here. You can see quiz on each one here. So try it and tell me how it boosts your grades based on each subject or how it boosts your study. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now check out the playlist on the screen to know how to use Gauth AI based on tutorial, everything on how to use it. See you inside the playlist.